The cool thing about the DJI Spark is it comes with a bunch of accessories. There is really no other drone manufacturer out there that comes with a bunch of stuff like the Spark, the Tello, the Mavic Air, the Mavic Pro 2, the Phantoms, you can say that also the Inspire, and higher up commercialized, what you want to call DJI drones. And then I want to go ahead and introduce you the Smatree battery bank. The reason why I'm saying this because I have it for my Tello and it did work fine with me, and now I have it for my DJI Spark, and it just it's just so convenient for me, because if you are other places and you're trying to go somewhere and you don't got no time to charge it or anything like that, and this battery bank will just charge your battery and also will charge your controller. And it's a simple setup. I think you can get this now for like $60. So if you start off, just buy the Tello, you just start off by the Spark and you did not have the power banks yet, the one with 3 multiple power, you can actually just get one of these because the price is actually almost the same thing. So, and it actually comes with the adapter already. For the Mavic Air, you need to use the Mavic Air adapter. For the Mavic Pro 2, you need to use the Mavic 2 adapters to power it up. But for the Spark, you don't need to because it comes with this already. So that's a bonus right there for you, so you don't have to carry it around. I absolutely, if you are gonna thinking about flying it, I would recommend it. Like I said, it just makes your flight easier and you don't have to buy so much battery. In the past, I have plenty of batteries. I actually bought 6 batteries for the Spark. It's back then. And when I sold it, it did not, that moment, it did not come up with this power bank yet. And then suddenly, they start coming up with this power bank, Smatree power bank. And, I'm not saying I'm hooked to it, it's just the fact that it's just, especially having it with Tello drone here, low, and now having it to your Spark, and now having it to your Mavic Air, and having it to your Mavic Pro 2 is just more convenient, for me. And I like about it is the fact that you don't have to plug in each one of them. You can just plug it in here and you can just carry it with you to go. And I think it's just easy way to carry it around.
Anyway guys, I'm over here in a remoted area. This place over here is like nowhere. Flying it over here is just to make it easier. And when I'm done flying, I just put everything away. And just simple as that, man. It's easy to carry and I would recommend it to everyone. And this is my experience with the DJI Spark, flying it out in the remoted area. Now you guys can see it. It's easy and it's ready to go, and you can put it in any pouch or any portable bag to go.
You're on the beach, you're all set, and you got it clean. So I just got down at the beach and this is what I got. So now if I want to, I can just go ahead and charge my multiple batteries, and all these are gonna get charged. And right now I still got plenty, I think I still got plenty juice in my battery on my transmitter, so it's good in my phone.
So what kind of power bank out there that can actually charge your drone while you're riding your boosted board or you're just walking? There's really nothing out there. Now you guys can see this thing is actually to go. This Smatree battery, the experience that I had is really awesome because I can take it anywhere I go, and even though the drone is following me or I'm doing something, it's getting charged. And that's about it. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.